Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter error 0x80004005, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. We'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we'll click on system, scroll down for troubleshoot, and then other troubleshooters, and we will click on run Windows Update. The second thing we need to do is delete the contents of the software distribution, the cat root folders, also known as the this update folder. So we'll go to disk cleanup and then click on OK and click on clean up system files. Click on OK and it will do a Windows update cleanup. Then we need to check all these boxes and click on OK and then click on delete files, and it should delete everything here. While this is running, we will also run the Windows update. So for that, we'll right click on this, go to settings, click on Windows update, and then click on check for updates. While that is running, we will go to advanced options, optional updates, and install, update, and install any driver updates here. And the last thing we can do is we can run an SFC scan. So we'll go for command prompt, right click on command prompt, run as administrator, and then enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter and wait for the scan to run. Once it's done, then we'll just click on the start button, click on the power button, and then click on restart, and we should no longer encounter this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.